Hi folks, I recently made a little video about a stained glass panel that I've made, and I love creating things. I love to design things and to make things, and I'm never happier, and I hope by way of making these videos I encourage other people to be creative. Even making this video, it's something that's creative, and I shall edit it and mess about with it, and I just love the creating process, whatever it is. And anyway, I wanted to remake that video, reshoot it, because originally I made the video with the phone, and I was shaking and going around. So anyway, this is a remake of a stained glass panel, but the interesting thing was I made the stained glass panel as a bit of a departure from making jewellery. After COVID, I wanted to make something not as fine, not as fiddly, and I thought I'll make this little stained glass panel. And anyway, I hadn't got anywhere for it in our house here, so I thought I'll sell it, and I took it to my friends at the Aberporth Art Centre, and they liked it, and they offered to put it on sale for me, and that was on the Friday. On the following Monday morning, I had a very excited email from them to say that the piece had sold, and I can't say, I know very little about who bought it. That's one of the things I miss, using an agent to sell my work. I miss any feedback, direct feedback from the person that's bought whatever it is I've made. But I do know that it's been purchased as a special present for somebody, so I can't say too much about it because I guess it's going to be a surprise. But anyway, if you're making something, don't underestimate yourself. Don't think that your work isn't good enough. People love to buy from local artists. I'm lucky enough to live in a seaside town, so that's we get holiday makers here. I don't know if the panel sold to a holiday maker or to an Aberporth resident. I simply don't know. But take a look at my stuff and be encouraged to have a go, and maybe you can sell something. I will be making other videos, so please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the video. Anyway, this is a remake of my earlier efforts. This is a little stained glass panel that I've made, and the panel itself can be turned into in any direction. Some of the glass out of here is out of an old cottage, and it's bits of coloured glass that are quite meaningful to me as to where they've come from. I wanted to make it as a change from making jewellery. I've done other stained glass work, but I just got this idea in my mind and I wanted to make it. The steel frame I made from 10mm square steel that I've rubbed down, polished, and then I've heat blued it. I didn't want to paint it. A lot of people just buy these frames, but I made the glass panel first, and then I made the frame to match the panel. The wood, that's from the beach at Aberaeron. Collected that after the high tides and storms earlier in the year. So you know, that's a bit meaningful to people that you know, maybe holiday in Aberaeron. I made the piece in Aberporth, where I live. What I like about this in particular is where I've joined these U sections that I've made. I've filed the U sections out of the 10mm square steel and then brazed them onto the steel. And the brazing, of course, isn't blued, so it looks this lovely gold colour, which I don't know, it's just something that I like. And don't forget, if you leave a comment, please let me know where in the world you're watching. I will be making more videos, so if you want to catch those, please subscribe. Anyway, I'm sure there's a lot more I was going to say about it, but what's important to me is to save a permanent record, to hopefully encourage other people to make things. Don't just look at YouTube. Look at YouTube and Pinterest, get ideas, and then go and make something. This is not desperately hard to make, and it's a lot of fun. You can learn how to make things like this on YouTube. What I like about this piece is its ability to cast its colours onto its surroundings. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. All the very best to everyone. Bye bye.